Welcome to the channel. In today's video, we're going to show you then how to change folder colors in Windows using a tool called FolderIco. If you're looking to add some customization to your desktop, this simple tool will help you give your folders a unique look. Let's dive in. First, we need to download and install FolderIco. To do that, head over to the official website at FolderIco.com and find the Download button for FolderIco. Choose System Windows or Mac. Once you've downloaded the installer, simply run it and follow the on-screen instructions to install the program. Once the installation is complete, open it. Choose folder you want, change color or icon, and drag or drop or browser folder here. Now you'll be presented with a variety of color options for your folder. Simply choose the color you like, or if you prefer, you can browse for a custom icon that fits your style. Once you've selected the color or icon, click Change Icon. Your folder will instantly change to the new color you selected. It's that simple. If you want to apply the same process to more folders, just repeat the steps we've gone over. If you ever want to restore the default folder icon, simply drop Folder, go to Restore Default and click it. And that's it. With FolderIco, you can easily add some color and personalization to your folders in just a few clicks. It's a simple but effective way to make your desktop more organized and visually appealing. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of our future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.